exciting. Behold the unboxing.
Now you know what it feels like to be me.
Matthew, you're allowed. Ooh.
My turn, Mom. What's that?
This is my new chalk.
Ooh.
Yes. Beautiful. Glorious chalk.
No, but
And I also got, see what else I got? I got this one over here. Unfortunately, you can only buy it at Amazon at the moment.
what's that?
This is my second box of chalk.
Different color?
Different colors, yes. Oh, yes. See?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we got here. Ooh. Ha ha ha. What we got here? Ooh, look at
Blue and
those.
red?
Blue and red. And,
Green, yellow, and orange.
oh, yeah. I look forward to using this, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you better not, because you can't use it. Ha ha. We got no chalkboard at home. There's no point.
Yes, there is. There's one in the playroom.
There is?
Mm-hmm.